Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr. In today's video, we will be creating old money home library. Let's start. When I think about old money library, the first thing that comes to mind is dark wood paneling and floor-to-ceiling bookcases. The room doesn't have to be very big, but it needs to be spacious enough to accommodate the dark colors, floor-to-ceiling cabinets, and not be overwhelmed by it. This is the size of the room that I've chosen. For the height of the walls, I will do approximately double the usual height. Now I will add windows. The windows that I've chosen for this room are these arc double window, and I will place 3 of these on this wall. Now I will create a full wall of bookcases, floor to ceiling height, on this wall. The bookcases that I've chosen are these ones with the ladder, so I'll just drop one. I will use the flip tool to place my ladder from this side. Now I will resize it and I will clone it to create a full wall of bookcases. I will use the detach clone for this bookcase because I will be applying invisible material for the ladder. I will also place 2 of the same cabinets on this wall. And I will place a fireplace in the middle. This is the fireplace that I will use, and of course I will resize it. And I think Chesterfield style sofas will go well with that space, so I'll add them as well. And then we can switch to 3D and start working on the texture and add some paneling. I've also added a coffee table and a side table, and now we will switch to 3D and I will add paneling and start working on a texture. For this wall, I will use this paneling. I've changed the texture of the sofas to add a bit more lighter color, and now I will add light above all my bookcase cabinets, and I will also add wall lights on my paneled wall, and then a big chandelier. So I've added a ceiling design just to match the space a bit more. The plain ceiling was just too plain, and I also added texture on the ceiling and the chandelier. So this is the chandelier that I used. That's this one. And I also added some art above my fireplace. Now I will add books and decorative objects into my bookcases, and the space will be ready for render. And now it's time to take a render. And this is how our old money library looks like after rendering. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing!